Are large hornets on the rise in Massachusetts? Well, the term hornet is a little bit deceptive. I think we could get technical if we wanted, but realistically, a hornet is just anything that's a large wasp, larger than wanted, so feel free to call anything a hornet. In Massachusetts right now, we've had plenty of warm weather. The heat, the humidity, that makes the wasp populations explode. Also gives them lots of food to fuel their population growth. They take those insects and arachnids that they capture, take them back to the nest, exchange it for a sweet nectar. So yeah, there's quite a few nests out there. Pretty big ones, especially if you're looking at the bald-faced hornets. We still have the small paper wasp nests. Regardless of what size you're seeing or how big the populations are, it's always best to be ahead of them. Know that this time of year they're expanding, and when they attack, they'll recruit others. So make sure you're well protected if you're tackling the nests on your own. Try and do so in safe conditions. If not, reach out to us at rovepestcontrol.com and we are happy to help you out.